Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Ferinda Yanwarita. I am a student at Surya Kancana University from the Faculty of Education, majoring in Indonesian language and literature. Today, I would like to talk about a journal review entitled The Existences of Flexing Culture as a Lifestyle Among Indonesian Generation Z. My presentation will be divided into four parts. Firstly, I will explain the background of the study. Secondly, I will discuss the theories used in the research. Thirdly, I will describe the research methods. Finally, I will present the finding and conclusion. This study talks about the lifestyle of Generation Z, especially related to flexing culture on social media. Social media has become a big part of our daily life. Through social media, people can share what they do and what they have. Because of this, many people care about how they look online. The number of followers become important because it shows popularity and social status. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube users to share their activities, appearance, and lifestyle in public. Because of this situation, flexing culture appears. Flexing means showing off money, lifestyle, or achievements to get attention and recognition. This is closely related to consumerism, where people look for recognition and validation through material things and social symbols. This research used two main theories. First, the cultural studies, a part which focuses on society and culture. According to Jan, flexing is a form of imitation. People copy luxury lifestyle to be recognized by others. Second, according to Thorsten Veblen, flexing is a way to show social status. People show their wealth to feel accepted. Now let's look at the methodology. This study used a qualitative method called systematic literature review. This method helps to understand more deeply how social media affects the lifestyle of Generation Z. The data come from academic journals published in the Journal of Social Humanities and Education, or JASPAN. Now let's move on to the next point. The results show that social media has a strong influence on the lifestyle of Generation Z. Flexing cultural makes people compare themselves with other online. This shows that social media plays a big role in shaping Generation Z lifestyle. Looking at the table, you can see in the inclusion and exclusion criteria used in the journal selection process. The tables helps to decide and which journals are used and which are not, so the study stays focused. The inclusion criteria include journals that discuss flexing culture on social media and use teenagers as research subjects. The exclusion criteria include journals that discuss flexing culture from religious or legal perspectives. By using these criteria, the journal selection become more organized and the searches and relevant to the research. Now I would like to turn to the conclusion. In conclusion, social media has played an important role in creating flexing culture among Generation Z. Flexing affects lifestyle choice and imitation and support consumerism. And then reference used in this presentation are Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation helps you understand and how social media influence and the lifestyle of Generation Z. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi